When I was 10, Christmas was a magical time. I lived with my family in a two-story house, but my room was in the finished basement, a place that felt cozy during the day but eerie at night. On Christmas morning, I woke up before everyone else, brimming with excitement. Bounding through the dimly lit basement toward the stairs, I caught a glimpse of movement in the cluttered storage room. Assuming it was my dad or brother, I hurried upstairs. In the living room, my siblings were already awake, whispering excitedly by the Christmas tree. But something nagged at me. Both my parents were still asleep in their room. Who then had I seen in the basement? Curiosity got the better of me, and I ventured back downstairs. As I approached the storage room, the shadows seemed thicker, the silence oppressive. Then, a man stepped out from behind a stack of boxes.